It's time for a regression plot. What a regression plot is, it basically it's a line that you put on this, like a straight line. It's often called the least squares line or the line of best fit. Like the point of this, if you're going to make a prediction, is you're looking at linear relationships here, generally with x and y. And so, what is the line, the straight line that we can fit on it? So what you need for that is sns.regplot for regression plot. We can set x equal to x, y equal to y. Let's keep this one simple. And let's go ahead and show it. Okay, and we can make any adjustments we need to after this. And it's going to show the same points. And you can see it's a little weird because they're more clustered. And I think we need a stronger alpha. But this line, you can see, is the regression line. And the idea is if you didn't know, like, hey, I've got a new house and the median income is, say, it's like 9.5, or I guess 9 based on this graph. And then so what's the y value? What's the median house value? Well, you follow it up to the point on the line, and that's what you predict. Okay. Just to clean this up a little bit, I think you want to change the y values, the y limits, to go from something like -1. Now, if it's going up to 500,000, you might want to go up a little higher than that. So 500 and, I don't know, 50,000. Am I doing that right? 505,000. Okay. And then the other thing about this is I would add an alpha in here. And to actually do that, you're going to need to set it just for the points. And so that goes under scatter keywords. KWS is the notation, and it's actually a dictionary. And so for dictionary, the alpha is going to be the string, and then colon the value that we want. We use 0.55 before. We'll just keep the blue color for now. And so let's try this and see if it looks a little better. And I think it does. I think it definitely looks better. I think, it's a scatter plot, and it is very clustered because there's probably too many points. And if you want to see it better, you can resample this. I think that's totally fine, like up here. And so these are the type of things you want to do if you want to make a clean plot, right? So, resample it, right? So maybe 4,000 for the regression line because you want to see the regression line is too much. Maybe you only do 1,000 in this case. And I think let's definitely move this up a little. And now let's see what we get. Much better, much better. This is looking like we can see it, right? You couldn't really see it before. And so make these kinds of modifications so that you can make your plots generally and your regression line strong. And again, don't forget the point of the regression line is that it is to make predictions. So once again, pick any value, pick like 7, okay? The median income is 7. I'm not sure what that is. Is that 70,000 perhaps? Then you follow it all the way up to the plot, and you would predict the median house value would be about 350,000, okay? That's the whole point of the regression line.